Hey student, how are you? Welcome to our session on adding fractions. We're going to do 5 problems. Number 1, in order to add fractions, you need the same denominator, the same bottom number. Since we have a common denominator, the same number on the bottom, we'll just add the numerators, the top numbers, and we get 4/7. Number 2, when adding fractions, you need a common denominator, the same number on the bottom. So let's convert these fractions so they have a common denominator. Now, you can just multiply the two bottom numbers together, 4 times 5, and use this number, the least common multiple. So we'll use 20. We multiplied 3/4. We multiplied the 4 on the bottom by 5 to get 20. What you do to the bottom of a fraction, you have to do to the top. 3 times 5, we get 15. And then 2/5, we multiplied the 5 on the bottom by 4 to get 20. What you do to the bottom of a fraction, you do to the top. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we have a common denominator. We'll keep 20. And we'll add the numerators, 15 plus 8, and we get 23/20. Number 3. Adding a whole number and a fraction. You could just add straight across. 8 plus 4/5 is 8 and 4/5. There it is, 8 and 4/5. Number 4. Adding mixed numbers. You could add the whole numbers, 4 plus 5, and we get 9, and then add the fractions, and we need a common denominator. We get a common denominator of 6. Yeah, we multiplied the bottom by 3, got to multiply the top by 3. And this one we multiplied the bottom by 2, got to multiply the top by 2. And then we'll add the numerators, 5/6. So we get 9 and 5/6. And the last one, number 5. Adding mixed numbers, but making them improper fractions first. So we'll make these improper fractions. You multiply and then add. Multiply and then add. So 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13. And we'll keep the denominator, 8. And then multiply and add. 4 times 2, we get 8, plus 3 is 11/4. And now we need a common denominator. We could use 8. So let's convert 11/4. So we have a common denominator of 8. We multiplied the bottom by 2 to get 8. So we'll multiply the top by 2. We get 22. So now we have 13/8 plus 22/8. And we'll add the numerators, 13 plus 22, and we get 35/8. And then let's convert 35/8 back into a mixed number. 8 goes into 35 4 times. 4 times 8, we get 32. To get to 35, we have a remainder of 3. So that becomes our numerator, 3, and then we'll keep 8. And that concludes adding fractions. Thanks so much for joining our session, and I'll see you next time.